Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cardano. Today can be one of the best days to buy the Cardano from the dip because this recent drop has helped many assets to complete the final leg of the different bullish reversal moves. And in case of Cardano, it is completing the bullish cipher move. So in today's video, we are going to discuss this move as well, along with the different other patterns that the Cardano has completed on the daily time frame chart. First of all, I want to show you this up channel, and by the way, I am also sharing the complete buying and sell targets for different harmonic trading ideas at the Patreon as well, and I've also shared these buying and sell targets for the Cardano at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. So first of all, I want to show you this move. This is an up channel, and previously in my previous video, when I told you that the Cardano has dropped up to 30 cents, and even on the Kraken exchange it was dropped up to 15.6 cents, and many people disliked that video only because of the title. And this was a video that I told when I told you that the price action has dropped up to 30 cents. Now what next? And the price line recovered back, and that was the drop only for a few minutes, maybe for 15 or 30 minutes, and after that the price action was recovered above dollar, and the price line is still moving in this up channel and having very good support of the EMA 10 and 21. And you can see that at this time the price line is retesting this EMA 21 after 22nd of Feb. We can see on 22nd of Feb and 23rd of Feb the price line retested the EMA 21, and now after that the price line is now retesting the EMA 21, and after retesting it is likely to move up from here, and it is also retesting the support of the channel as well. Now if I show you the RSI indicator here, we can see that the RSI is forming the lower lows and the price action is forming the higher lows. So this is a perfect hidden bullish divergence as well. And if we take a look at the MACD indicator, then MACD indicator is still strong bearish. So for the safer side, we can wait for the MACD before buying at this support. Once it will be turned bullish, for example, it was a strong bearish, like it is strong bearish right now, and it was turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and once it will be turned weak bearish from strong bearish, then we can consider that this support will be saved and the price line will be moved up for the next rally from here. Now I would like to show you the different price levels, support and resistance levels. Like here we have already seen that the price action broke out this 80 cents resistance, retested the previous resistance as a support and moved up, broke out the next resistance of dollar, and retested the previous resistance of $1 as a support. And even though this retest was very long, very deep, up to 15.6 cents, but the price action has recovered, did not close below this level and moved up, and now it is moved down again and moved very close to this $1 support level. And in the meanwhile, while the price action is moving down, we can also see that it is also retesting the 25 simple moving average on the daily time frame charts. These all charts are daily time frame. So after that we have the 50, 100 and 200, and here we can also observe that after 22 Feb the price line is now retesting this the simple moving average 25, and at the same time the price line is forming a bullish cipher move. There is a very big bearish candlestick we have here, a very long wick of the bearish candlestick. Therefore I have posted my cipher pattern on the Binance chart. This is the Binance chart, and this was the Kraken chart. And here on the Binance we can see that it was dumped up to 81 cents. And here we have this long extra spike. I have just ignored this extra spike because all the legs are driven perfectly as required for the bullish cipher on the daily time frame chart. Now the price line can complete this cipher move, and if it will complete this cipher move, then it can retrace between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level that starts from 96.34 cents and ends up to 84.12 cents. And this is the bullish potential reversal zone of this bullish cipher move. And technically, the price action can move between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of C to D leg. and that starts from $1.05 and ends up to $1.29. But if we set our sell targets according to this up channel, then we can expect that the price line can reach up to this resistance, at least that is approximately at $1.45. But every time we can see that it is forming higher than the previous high. For example, our recent high was, including this extra spike, is $1.48. So if it will give another long spike, then it can even set a higher than the previous recent high, maybe to $2 or $1.5, but it can form the higher than the previous high. So conservatively, we can also set our sell target here at this resistance of the channel that is approximately at $1.45. But we need another confirmation. For example, I'm looking at the MACD indicator at this time, even though we are having a bullish candlestick, but this is not as that much powerful bullish candlestick. Unless we will have the powerful buying volume, then we can expect such strong bullish candlesticks will be appeared that will lead the price action to this resistance of the channel. So we can use the different set of indicators. For example, here I'm using the MACD indicator. You can also use your own set of indicators if you have. At this time, I'm expecting this MACD can help us a lot to understand whether the price action will not break down this support or it will be moved up from here. I'm expecting that it will not break down the support. If, for example, the MACD will be still bearish, remain bearish, today or tomorrow it will be remain bearish, then it can hit a spike in this potential reversal zone of the bullish cipher, and after completion of this bullish cipher it will be reversed back from here. So we can expect a spike up to 96 cents or between 96 cents to 84 cents. That is the bullish potential reversal zone of this bullish cipher move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.